The top 3 benefits of our 48-inch built-in French door refrigerator. Extraordinary amount of space on the shelves and in the drawers. You have adjustable shelving and the drawers are very spacious. Dual ice maker with our craft ice and our standard Frustrum ice cube. The craft ice is a spherical, slow melting ice that is ideal for cocktails and other beverages. Our convertible drawer. So there's 5 different temperature settings that will take you from pantry all the way down to frozen.